This is it?
There's no animals in here.
That's right. You said you weren't looking for a pet.
And we're not.
So you won't be interested in him.
My goodness. You're just the cutest thing I've ever seen. Look at you. Oh, he's so cute and so tiny.
And so red.
I love that he's red. Oh. How did he get that way?
I don't know. I think he's lost his family, so he's a little confused.
Poor guy. I'll be your family.
No, you will not.
Please, Uncle Casey. He's so tiny, he wouldn't bother anyone. Mr. Bridwell, how big is he gonna get?
Well, that depends, doesn't it?
On what?
On how much you love him. How much you love him.
Clifford? How did this happen?
Ah, there we are.
It's all over the internet. There's a 10-foot dog in Upper Manhattan.
That can't be real.
We are offering a $25,000 reward for the capture of the big red dog.
People don't like things that are different. There are no other dogs like you.
What's he doing?
I think he's trying to be small. What do we do? We have to save him.
I'm in.
We're in.
Really? What if you found someone who was so full of love?
He's slipping!
Made you feel like you could do anything.
Your dog just saved my life!
I'm getting Clifford out of here. You know how to drive? How hard can it be? I'm grounded for life, aren't I?
You and me both.
He eats like an animal.
He is an animal.
I'm talking about him.
What?